Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a tool that gives you gorgeous, smooth curls without the frizz or static? Well, today we're talking about the BaBylissPRO Curling Iron Porcelain Ceramic Marcel Hair Curler, a tool that promises to deliver sleek, shiny curls every time. It's designed with porcelain ceramic technology and negative ion generation to help you achieve those perfect waves while minimizing frizz. Let's break it down. This curling iron uses porcelain ceramic technology, which ensures even heat distribution, meaning you get consistent results without worrying about hot spots. The negative ions are a game changer as they help reduce static and frizz, leaving you with sleek, shiny curls instead of flyaways. The iron's design is classic, with a Marcel-style clamp that gives you more control over your curls, helping you to create a variety of curl types, from tight ringlets to loose waves. Now, when I first incorporated this curling iron into my routine, I was excited but a little skeptical about how well the porcelain ceramic would work. I've tried plenty of ceramic curlers before, but what's unique about this one is the porcelain finish, which feels smoother on the hair. When I tested it, I found that it heated up really quickly, within seconds, and the curls held up throughout the day, which is essential when you need your hair to last through a long evening out. As for ease of use, the Marcel clamp took a little getting used to. It's not a typical spring-loaded curling iron, so you'll need to manually clamp and release the hair. Once I got the hang of it, I actually enjoyed the control it gave me. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the barrel allows for flexibility in styling, whether you're going for tighter curls or softer waves. So, what did I like about it? First off, the even heat distribution was excellent. I didn't experience any hot spots or burning, even when curling finer strands. The negative ion technology also helped smooth my hair, eliminating the static I sometimes get with other irons. My curls were shiny and frizz-free, and I could tell that they were lasting longer than usual. Plus, I love that the design is simple and sleek. It's not bulky like some other curlers, so it's easy to store, and the black color adds a touch of elegance. On the flip side, while I do love the control the Marcel clamp offers, it's definitely a learning curve if you've never used a manual curling iron. It's not as beginner-friendly as spring-loaded models, so it may take some practice to get your technique right. Another thing worth mentioning is the lack of temperature control. It has a fixed heat setting, which works well for most hair types. But if you have fine hair or need precise control over the heat, you might miss the ability to adjust the temperature. Let's talk about value for money. The BaBylissPRO Curling Iron is priced in the mid-range for professional-grade hair tools, and I'd say it's worth the investment. The performance and smoothness of the curls are great for those who want long-lasting results. But if you're looking for advanced features like a temperature control dial or digital settings, you might need to explore other options. Comparing this with other popular curling irons in the same price range, you'll find that BaBylissPRO excels in smoothness and frizz control. Brands like Conair or Hot Tools may have similar features, but they don't always have the same even heat distribution or the negative ion benefits. If you're aiming for sleek, smooth curls, this one is definitely a contender. As for the build quality, the material feels sturdy and the ceramic barrel provides great heat retention without getting too hot to the touch. The build feels solid, and it looks like a tool designed to last. In terms of longevity, I haven't noticed any wear and tear after several uses, which speaks to the quality of the materials. So, who would benefit from this curling iron? If you have frizz-prone hair, fine or medium hair that needs a little extra shine, or if you prefer tight curls that last all day, this curling iron could be a great addition to your collection. But if you're someone who likes a lot of customization and control over the temperature, or if you're just starting out with curling irons, you may want to try a more user-friendly, adjustable option. Mid-review call to action. If this review helped you in deciding whether this curling iron is the right fit for your beauty routine, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any future reviews. Your support helps us bring more honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. To wrap up, the BaBylissPRO Curling Iron Porcelain Ceramic Marcel Hair Curler delivers sleek, frizz-free curls thanks to its even heat distribution and negative ion technology. While it might not be the most beginner-friendly tool and lacks temperature control, its performance and sleek design make it worth considering for those who want smooth, long-lasting curls. If you've tried it or have other thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.